Fall is in full swing and is the perfect time of year to whip up healthy, comforting foods that offer massive health benefits. I personally feel that fall is the best time of year to cook because it makes it so much easier when you can make one-pot wonders like soups and stews. This fall meal plan makes planning your meals as easy and tasty as it can be. I always like to get a nice start to the day with a healthy breakfast. This magic Maca bowl is packed with tons of nutrients, and if you want to add a real fall feel, stir in a little bit of pumpkin puree. Now, the star ingredient in this magic Maca bowl, of course, is maca. So maca is an adaptogen that helps your body to both adapt to and manage stress. It contains 31 different minerals and over 60 phytonutrients. It has a whole host of benefits, from boosting your memory and focus to boosting your concentration, your energy, and even your libido. Now, if there's one soup that's on heavy rotation in my house, whether it's fall, winter, summer, or spring, it is this coconut butternut squash soup. Not only does it taste delicious, it is packed with nutrients like stress-busting magnesium and immune-boosting vitamin C, which we definitely need more of in the fall. This coconut butternut squash soup is so unbelievably smooth and creamy and delicious that it's hard to believe that it's healthy. There's a reason why everybody is going cuckoo for cauliflower, and that's because cauliflower is packed with nutrients. The health benefits in these crispy harissa cauliflower tacos are staggering and undeniable. These tacos are a fast and easy recipe for taco night. So let's talk about our star ingredient, cauliflower. Did you just see what I did there? Cauliflower is a powerful anti-inflammatory food, and it also contains a key nutrient for your brain called choline. Choline helps to increase efficiency in the part of the brain known for decision-making, memory, and learning. Now you're in luck because I am giving you a delicious harissa sauce to pair with these tacos. But don't worry if you don't have time to whip up the harissa sauce, you can just sub taco spice instead. But I'm gonna warn you, it won't be nearly as flavorful, so you definitely wanna make the sauce. Harissa is a fiery, garlicky North African spice that's typically used with breads and stews. I also like to put it on my eggs as well. Now, the main ingredient in harissa are roasted bell peppers. And red bell peppers are a great source of immune-boosting vitamin C. And again, we want to make sure we're getting a lot of that vitamin C in the fall to really keep our immune system strong, so that we're warding off those colds and flu. Vitamin C is also really important to the brain because it can actually slow down brain aging and minimize your risk of dementia. Now, sometimes you just need a sweet treat, and there's no one that gets that more than yours truly, a self-professed cookie monster. So I got a solution for you, and that's these coconut chocolate chip lentil blondies. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hey, wait a minute, lady. You want me to put lentils in my dessert? Yes, I do. Because not only will you forget that you even put them in there, your husband and your kids won't notice either. But the great thing about lentils is that they're an excellent substitute for butter, and they're still gonna make the dessert taste nice and rich and moist. Having healthy alternatives on hand, like these coconut chocolate chip lentil blondies, are really important so that you don't feel deprived. Lentils are also packed with fiber, which is great because it helps to keep you full in between meals. Now let me ask you this. When was the last time that you had a dessert that actually worked for you rather than against you? If you make any of these recipes, I would love to hear about it. Please come on back and leave me a comment below to let me know what you think. Now, what if I told you that meal planning could be simple? Well, my Eat Cheap, Live Good meal plan guide is a 7-day meal plan guide that will save you time and money in the kitchen. You'll learn to eat well on less than $10 a day. I'll teach you about the health benefits of the key ingredients in each meal and how they contribute to your overall wellness. You'll also learn about resources that can keep you organized and on track to make sure that meal planning sticks. Now, are you ready for 7 days of simple, cheap, and nourishing meals? Click on the link in the description below to end your stress and frustration with meal planning once and for all, and grab your copy of Eat Cheap, Live Good. Thanks for watching.